when you started to channel for your mother and your mother started to come through, she must have given you a lot of insights into aging, illness, and soul's journey. How did that change your perspective on aging, illness, and soul's journey?
Yeah. Well, most of the wisdom when my mom was living did come through my best friend channeling her. It took me years before I learned to attune to her in a way that I could trust. But what I learned from her soul, whether it was through my best friend or eventually through myself, is that all of us come here with sort of we have the same goal, because our goal as souls is to learn to love unconditionally. That's what I have gleaned from my many years of channeling. But the way we play that out is in relationships. And relationships are sometimes our greatest joy and sometimes our greatest challenge. And the nature of the relationships we call in says a lot about what we are here to grow. What my mom taught me is that some souls are here to be served. And in my, I have a very server oriented aspect to myself. So I feel like I am meant to be in service all the time. So to hear a soul that's here to be served and not to actually just, externally serve others outwardly was surprising to me. And that's how she was meant to live her journey, live this earthly journey. And the people she called in, her father, her brothers, me, her husband, my father, these were all energies that we'd agreed ahead of time. Yes, dear soul, we will come in service to you and what you're here to experience. So she didn't talk much about aging because that wasn't her thing. She passed when she was just 66. So she didn't get to the place where we could call her elder, really. But what she did share with me was, we are actually here to love deeply and fully. And there's so much growth to come from tapping into that sort of love. She also taught me how to appreciate the natural world